Hello everyone and welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to send a follow request on TikTok. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First, open your TikTok application. Then search for the person that you want to send a follow request. Tap on its username. Then just tap on the follow button. And this is how you can send follow request on TikTok. Thank you for watching the Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.